morning, Klatschies. It is Thursday, January 28th, and I'm so glad you're along here this morning. I believe it's my friend Laura's birthday, so if you're here, Laura, happy birthday. It's a crisp one here in southern Wisconsin, but I've got the wood stove kind of working, and I'm staying warm and toasty here in the studio. So lots to get done today. Prep for my DoorDash. I have bingo. I have to send out my bingo cards. I have to email those out today. So lots to do this morning, but I have a really sweet and simple little card for you again using the Darling Donkeys. So good morning, Ruby. Good to see you. Good morning, Elizabeth. Yes, your bingo package is coming today. It's going to be so much fun. And you will be getting your cards. I will email you a link to your cards so you can get those going too. So good morning, Joan. Good morning, Karen. So nice to have you guys all along this morning. So I'm going to flip you guys around and show you the simple little card. It is so stinking cute. So what we got going on today? Let's see here. Let's see if I can get that. Good morning, Jennifer. It's kind of a little Kitty Wonkus this morning. There we go. We'll try that. All righty. What I am working with this morning, again, I'm using up leftovers. That I had here on my stamp desk. And this Darling Donkeys is one of the, to be perfectly honest, I have not used it yet because I've had so many other fun things to play with. Excuse me. But this is one of the free celebration stamp sets that is available with a qualifying order. And it is stinking cute. So I thought it would be fun to do, I had black cardstock sitting here on my desk, so I thought it would be good to use that up. Excuse me. I have a frog this morning. Alrighty, and I had a scrap of white. I have leftovers from yesterday's Klatsch using that little piece. So let's go ahead and stamp and color these and show you a fun little card. So, anybody have great fun plans for this weekend? I'm hoping to get some stamping done. Ella has play practice, so I promised her that we would, oh, I know, I'm afraid. I promised her that maybe we could go, I promise, so it's not a maybe. We are going to go skating down at Waterford has a community rink, and I think the weather should be good. So provided that it's not a blizzard, we will be skating Saturday afternoon. Wish me luck. Oh. All right. Isn't he just so stinking cute? I can hardly stand it. Adorable. So what I thought I would do is color in my rose with Rococo rose, so that it will match my designer paper that I have laying around here. And I'm just going to do a fast little color here. I thought I would use, you know, donkeys come in many different colors, brown, you know, lots of them. And if you're going to go with a mule, you have even more options. But I was just going to use smoky slate here because it'll go nicely with my black cardstock. And ooh, this one is almost, might need to order another smoky slate marker. Do I have one here in my stash? Nope. I'll have to use the light side. So my blending is not going to work as nicely as I had hoped. Alexa, put a smoky slate blend on my Stampin' Up list. That is the bait meat. Isn't that convenient?
You can now add another item without having to first say Alexa. Enable this feature by saying, turn on follow-up mode.
She's got lots of instructions for me today. Alrighty, so we're just gonna color it here with smoky slate and add a little donkey tail. Isn't he just adorable? Or she, I guess. And I think I have black in here. This is the dark. I want the light piece of black. Let me grab that out of my bins. Here we go. And we want want to do I'm going to color in his little hooves. Actually, let's do his hooves in brown. Black. Black would be good. Nope. Black. We're going black, I guess. I've committed. Just like I've committed to the skating party. Oy, oy, oy. Anybody want to go skating with me on Saturday afternoon? It will be, I'm sure it will be something that you could probably post on, YouTube and get a lot of hits. So, it might be worth it. We're going to add the little crumb cake here and color in his little, he is so cute. How can you not stand him? He is just adorable. Add his little fuzzy hair. That looks like Greta's, my dog. Her hair is always crazy. And we need a little green for the stem. We'll grab the light old olive. And color in the stem here. Oh, he is just adorable. I can hardly stand it. All right, so we are going to glue that little schnibble of paper down here. This was leftovers from yesterday. And I'm gonna add this. How cute is that? Oy my. Now remember, let's make it straight, right? And I want it a little shorter because I want more of that to show. It's the beauty of a paper trimmer. We can trim that up just a smidge. Okay. Sorry, Wendy. Did she add it to your list too? It must be a sign. All right. Remember a couple weeks ago, if you followed along, I did a why you need to have this many messages, stamp set. And remember, it's one big stamp, and I thought, that seems dumb. But then once I got my head wrapped around how awesome this is, and because you can pull out your embossing powder all at once and emboss, what is it? 15 different sayings all at once and then cut them all at once. It was brilliant and I loved it. So watch. Remember I showed you this wonderful little case that I made out of one of our paper pumpkins. This is on page 35 of the spring catalog. So remember I said, I hate embossing, but it's, if I get it out at once. So look at, I can do wishing you a year of magical moments and wonderful memories, or happy to celebrate these moments with you, or happy anniversary. How cute would that be? Or hooray, it's your birthday. Which one? Let's see here. What do you think? How about let's celebrate these wonderful moments with you, because it is kind of fun. Maybe it's for someone that just got engaged, or, someone that turned 30, or, who knows? I just thought that would be super cute. And again, remember, that is why you want that many messages, because you can emboss a whole sheet of these with one little mess, and then you have them to use at your fingertips anytime that you want it. I have leftover ribbon from the paper pumpkin here. Let's just make a little bow. This black is kind of fun. So that is why you need the Darling Donkeys and the Many Messages, both of which are available. Darling Donkeys is, I'm having issues. Let me grab my, they don't even have my bow maker at my fingertips this morning. It's got to be a Monday. Nothing's working. All right, there we go. I can make a bow without a bow maker, although the bow maker makes it so much easier. Stick that right there, and you've got a stinking cute little card using the Darling Donkeys. So that is my card today. You guys hopefully will have a fabulous day. Looks to be a good one. So started off with a stinking cute donkey, so we might as well have a great day. So thanks again, Stampin' Peeps. We will chat tomorrow, and stay warm. Toodles.